Hey Realme fans, exciting news on the horizon. The Realme P2 Pro is about to make its grand entrance and I've got all the latest details for you. Just recently, the Realme P2 Pro was spotted on the BIS certification website with the model number RMX 3987. What does that mean? It's launching soon. The BIS listing doesn't give away much, but seeing it there confirms that we don't have to wait much longer. Now let's talk about what we do know so far. The Realme P2 Pro is expected to launch in 4 different variants. You'll get options for 8 GB of RAM, with either 128 GB or 256 GB of storage. And for those who need more power, there's a 12 GB RAM option with either 256 GB or a whopping 512 GB storage. That's right, 512 GB. That's a new addition considering the P1 Pro maxed out at 256 GB. As for colors, you'll have some fresh new choices. The Realme P2 Pro is coming in chameleon green and eagle gray. Quite a shift from the parrot blue and phoenix red of the P1 Pro, huh? But that's not all. The Realme P2 Pro is expected to launch alongside the Realme P1 smartphone. And as for the price, well, it's rumored to start at under $180. Talk about a bang for your buck. So, what can we expect from the Realme P2 Pro? While specifics are still under wraps, we can anticipate some solid upgrades over the P1 Pro. Realme has been tight-lipped, but with these key details already out, we're bound to hear more soon. Stay tuned, folks. The Realme P2 Pro is gearing up to be a game-changer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Catch you in the next one.